Friends, how are you? I hope you all are well and good. In my previous class, I discussed what do you mean by Cartesian product. So I think you understood it properly. Now, this is our next topic. This is your relation part. Now, what do you mean by relation? This is my first question. And the answer should be C. Relation is nothing but it is a subset of A cross B. Any subset of A cross B is called a relation. And in the set part, you learn what do you mean by subset. Now see, what will be the definition? Let capital A and capital B be two non-empty sets. Then a relation R from A into B is a subset of A cross B. That is, I can say that R is a subset of A cross B. So, to get a relation, we need the cross product of two sets. That's why I have done cross product in the previous class. বুঝেছো? এটা হলো আমার রিলেশনের ডেফিনেশন. It is nothing but it is a subset of A cross B. এখন if R equal to 5, a set is said to be null if it has no element, then we can write A equal to 5. Similarly, if R equal to 5, then the relation is called an empty. Other name of empty is null or void relation. Null or void. Empty means null or void. Same meaning. Number 2, you can write in note form also. If R equal to A cross B, then it is called the universal relation. UNIVERSAL, universal relation. And universal relation is the biggest relation formed by taking two sets A and B. These all are the definitions and notes of a relation R from a set A to another set B. Now, if there is only one set and we were asked to define a relation, then how I can define? Then it will be relation on a particular set, suppose A. For that case, we have to take this A cross A. In previous, it was A cross B because I have two sets. Now I have only one set, say capital A. That's why I have to take first A cross A, then I can say that it is nothing but a subset of A cross A. And this is called relation on a particular set A. If my particular set is B, then I can say that it is a subset of B cross B. Okay. So write the definition first. relation on a set or relation on a particular set. A relation from A into itself, A into itself is called a relation on the set A. A relation from A into itself is called a relation on the set A. This is the definition of relation on a particular set. This set may be A, this set may be B, this set may be C also. Okay. Now, another note is there. This type of questions, this question is very important for short mark question, or this type of question may ask in your entrance exam also. The question is, what are the number of subsets for A cross B? What are the number of subsets? How many subsets will be formed from this A cross B? Okay. Now, the answer should be, if n of A equal to say m and n of B equal to say p. N of A means what? Number of element present in A is m and number of element present in B is p. Then total number of subsets from A to B is 2 power m into p. 2 power m into p will give you the total number of subsets. Now, one example, and this example will give you lots of information. Suppose this is my set A, 1, 2, 3, and this is my set B, say 4, 5. Then A cross B will be C. A cross B, just form all the possible ordered pairs between A and B. C. 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Finish. No other ordered pair is possible. You have to form all the possible ordered pairs. ঠিক আছে? শুধু তুমি এলিমেন্ট প্রেজেন্ট ইন এ এর সাথে এলিমেন্ট প্রেজেন্ট ইন বি কে কি করবে? শুধু রিলেট করবে, লিংক করবে। You have to take the cross product. Suppose আমি একটা রিলেশন চুজ করলাম এইভাবে, সে 1,5, 2,4 আর 3, নাও দেখো আমার যে suppose this is your set and this is your subset. Is it a subset? 1,5 এটাতে প্রেজেন্ট আছে, 2,4 it is also here, 3,5 it is also here. It means what? R is a subset of A cross B, and the definition says that any subset of A cross B is a relation. That means my R is a relation from A to B. That means what? R is a relation from A to B. Because R is a subset, that means R is a relation from A to B. I am writing the relation again. Earlier definition, I continue this one. We will get some various information from this. Now see. What will be the domain and range of a relation? This is the important question. What will be the domain and range of a relation, and what will be the codomain? Now see. Domain, D-O-M-A-I-N. Domain is generally denoted by capital D. What will be the domain? Domain is nothing but the element present in a relation R, and the element will be the first element of all the ordered pairs. Means what? Domain is the set which is constructed by taking all the first elements from ordered pair. Now see, এখানে প্রথম এলিমেন্টটা কি আছে 1, তারপরে কি আছে 2, এখানে কি আছে 3. So this is my domain. এখন আমরা লিখি range. Range is denoted by R generally. রেঞ্জটা কি হবে দেখো, ডোমেইনের এলিমেন্টগুলো কোথায় গিয়ে মিলেছে, অর অন্যভাবে বলতে পারি আমি যে ইট ইজ দ্য সেট অফ অল দ্য পয়েন্টস প্রেজেন্ট ইন দ্য অর্ডার পেয়ার second element, all the second element present in the ordered pair. Second element, first element নিয়ে construct domain and second element নিয়ে construct হবে আমাদের range. Now it is 5, it is 4. Now see, ভালো করে দেখো, 5 4 4 5 4 4 লিখলাম, but range is a set and we know that in a set, এটা ভালো করে দেখা যাচ্ছে না, রেঞ্জটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি হলো দেখো 5, 4, 4, প্রত্যেকটা অর্ডার পেয়ারের সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্ট আমরা লিখলাম 5, 4, 4, but range is a set and we know that in a set there should be no repetition. That's why 4 will appear only once here, and this is my range set. And what will be the codomain? See, relation R টা কি ছিল, from A to B ছিল আমাদের সেকেন্ড সেট যেটা, দিস ইজ নাথিং বাট দ্য কোডোমেইন সেট. ডোমেইন রেঞ্জ আসবে রিলেশন থেকে, and codomain is nothing but the second set. If R is a relation from A to A, then this A will be codomain. Means here there is no difference between A and A, so it means codomain is my A, simple A. But here R is a relation from A to B. আমার এই কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে R is a relation from A to B, তো আমার টোটাল বিটা হয়ে যাবে কোডোমেইন, আর ডোমেইনটা হবে অর্ডার পেয়ারের ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট, আর রেঞ্জটা হবে অর্ডার পেয়ারের সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্ট. বাট রিমেম্বার, ডোমেইন কোডোমেইন রেঞ্জের মধ্যে কোনো এলিমেন্টের রিপিটেশন হতে পারবে না, বিকজ দে আর সেট, এন্ড ইন এ সেট দেয়ার শুড বি নো রিপিটেশন. So this is all about the preliminary things of your relation, how to find domain, codomain and range. I am finishing my video here. In my next class I will discuss more examples of relations. Thank you.